They change the oil, fill up the gas tank, and try to keep up with maintenance. But what if I told you that everyday driving habits could be quietly destroying your car from the inside out? In today's video, we're going to talk about 15 driving mistakes that most drivers don't even know about. And here's the important part. The last 6 mistakes can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. And if you miss even the first 9 mistakes, those repair costs can grow even higher and turn into a much bigger bill than you expect. Most people think these habits are normal, but they are slowly damaging your car every single day. Let's get started. And if you enjoy this kind of helpful car content, make sure to subscribe to Future Garage Motors for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to like the video. It really helps motivate me to create more content like this for you. And if you have any questions or want to share your experience, leave a comment below. I read them all. Number 15. Turning off engine immediately after hard driving. After a long drive or high-speed run, many drivers make one common mistake. They turn off the engine immediately. It feels normal, but inside your engine, things are still extremely hot and under pressure. In turbocharged cars, this is even more important. When you drive hard, the turbo spins at very high speed and gets extremely hot. If you switch off the engine instantly, the oil flow stops suddenly, but the turbo is still burning hot. This causes a condition called heat soak. Over time, this heat without proper cooling can damage turbo bearings and reduce engine life. You might not notice anything at first, but slowly your car may start losing performance, burning more oil, or even developing expensive turbo issues. The better habit is simple. After hard driving, let your car idle for 30 to 60 seconds. This allows oil and coolant to circulate and bring temperatures down safely. It's a small habit, but it can save you from repairs that cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars later. Number 14. Resting hand on gear lever. Many drivers don't realize this simple habit can slowly damage their car over time. Resting your hand on the gear lever might feel comfortable, like a normal driving position, but it actually creates constant light pressure on the transmission system. Even if you are not shifting gears, that small force is being transferred inside the gearbox components. Over time, this can lead to unnecessary wear on sensitive parts like shift forks and bearings. It won't break your car instantly, but it slowly reduces the life of your transmission. A better habit is to keep both hands on the steering wheel and only touch the gear lever when you actually need to change gears. Small habits like this may look harmless, but they can turn into expensive repairs later. Number 13. Dry steering. Turning wheel while car is not moving. Dry steering means turning the steering wheel while the car is completely stationary. This usually happens during parking or tight turns when the vehicle is not moving but the wheels are fully turned. At this moment, the power steering system has to work much harder because the tires are not rolling on the road to assist the movement. This creates unnecessary load on the steering rack, power steering pump, and tires. You may not notice any immediate problem, but over time this habit can make the steering feel heavier and increase wear on key components. The simple way to avoid this is to slightly move the car while turning the wheel, even at very low speed, to reduce stress on the system. Number 12. Using wrong/mixed coolant or water. Using the wrong coolant or mixing different types of coolant, or even using plain water, can seriously harm your car's cooling system. The engine needs proper coolant to control temperature and prevent overheating. When you use water or the wrong mix, it can cause rust and corrosion inside the radiator and engine passages. Over time, this reduces cooling efficiency and increases the risk of overheating. This small mistake can slowly lead to major engine damage and expensive repairs if ignored. Number 11. Ignoring small fluid leaks. Ignoring small fluid leaks might seem harmless at first, but it can lead to serious hidden damage in your car. Even a tiny drop of engine oil or brake fluid can be a warning sign that something is not sealed properly. Over time, these small leaks can grow bigger and reduce important fluid levels without you noticing. Low engine oil can cause overheating and internal wear, while low brake fluid can reduce braking power and safety. The worst part is that this damage happens slowly and silently, so most drivers only realize it when the repair becomes expensive. Checking and fixing small leaks early can save you from major system failure and costly repairs later. Number 10. Riding brakes downhill. Riding the brakes while going downhill means keeping your foot lightly pressed on the brake pedal for a long time instead of using proper control. This habit may feel like you have more control, but it actually causes the brake system to overheat. When brakes get too hot, the brake pads wear out much faster, and the brake discs can also get damaged over time. You may also notice reduced braking performance when you need it most. A better way is to use engine braking by shifting to a lower gear and applying brakes in short, controlled presses instead of holding them continuously. Number 9. Sudden braking at speed bumps or rough roads. Sudden braking right before speed bumps or rough roads might feel like the safe option, but it can actually put extra stress on your car. When you brake hard at the last moment, the suspension system takes a sudden shock instead of absorbing the bump smoothly. This can lead to faster wear of suspension parts like shocks and struts. It also increases stress on the brake system, causing uneven wear over time. A better approach is to slow down gradually before the bump and let the suspension do its job naturally. This simple habit keeps your ride smoother and protects both brakes and suspension from unnecessary damage in the long run. Number 8. Driving with underinflated tires. Driving with underinflated tires means your tires don't have enough air pressure to support the car properly. This creates more contact with the road, which increases friction and makes the engine work harder. As a result, your car burns more fuel than normal and reduces overall efficiency. It also causes uneven tire wear and puts extra load on the braking system, which can make your brakes wear out faster over time. Many drivers don't notice this because the car still feels normal, but the damage builds up slowly. Checking tire pressure regularly is a simple habit that can improve safety, save fuel, and extend the life of both tires and brakes. Number 7. Keeping foot on brake at signals, long holds. Keeping your foot pressed on the brake for long periods at traffic signals may seem harmless, but it can slowly damage your braking system. When you hold the brake continuously, the brake pads stay in constant contact with the discs, which generates heat over time. This heat buildup leads to faster brake pad wear and can reduce braking efficiency in the long run. In some cases, it can also cause uneven wear on the brake components. A better habit is to shift the car into neutral or use the parking brake when you expect a longer stop. This reduces pressure on the brake system and helps extend its overall life while keeping your driving smoother and safer. Number 6. Hitting bumps or potholes at high speed. Hitting bumps or potholes at high speed can seriously damage your car's suspension and wheel alignment. When your car takes a strong impact, the shock absorbers, struts, and other suspension parts have to absorb a sudden force that they are not designed for. This can lead to faster wear, reduced comfort, and even steering issues over time. You may also notice that your car starts pulling to one side because the wheel alignment gets disturbed. In some cases, it can even damage tires or rims. The simple solution is to slow down before rough roads and let the suspension absorb the impact smoothly. This small driving habit can save you from costly repairs and keep your ride stable and safe. Now the next mistakes are the ones mechanics absolutely love, because they often lead to expensive repairs that most drivers don't see coming. Number 5. Ignoring unusual sounds from the car. Ignoring unusual sounds from your car is one of the most dangerous habits drivers make. A small noise like squeaking, knocking, or grinding may seem unimportant at first, but it is often an early warning sign of a bigger problem. These sounds can come from brakes, engine parts, or suspension components that are starting to wear out or fail. If you ignore them, the issue can slowly get worse and turn into major engine or brake failure over time. The repair cost also increases the longer you wait. The smart approach is to pay attention to any new or strange sound and get it checked early. Fixing a small issue in time can save you from expensive and serious damage later. Number 4. Letting your car sit and used for long periods. Letting your car sit and used for long periods may seem harmless, but it can slowly cause hidden damage. When a car is not driven regularly, the battery starts to lose its charge and may eventually go dead. Engine oil can also settle at the bottom, reducing proper lubrication when you start the car again. Over time, seals and rubber parts may dry out, and small issues can build up without you noticing. Even the brakes can develop light rust if the car stays parked for too long. To avoid these problems, it's important to start and drive your car regularly so all systems stay active and properly lubricated. Number 3. Driving on very low fuel. Driving on very low fuel might seem like a way to stretch your mileage, but it can actually damage your car's fuel system. Inside the fuel tank, the fuel pump relies on gasoline to stay cool and properly lubricated. When the fuel level gets too low, the pump starts drawing in air instead of fuel, which causes it to overheat. Over time, this extra stress can lead to pump failure and expensive replacement costs. You may also notice engine hesitation or poor performance before it completely fails. The safer habit is to refuel before your tank gets too low, ideally when it reaches around a quarter level, to keep the fuel pump healthy and avoid unnecessary repair bills. Number 2. Topping off fuel after pump click. Topping off your fuel tank after the pump clicks may seem like a good way to get extra fuel, but it can actually harm your car's fuel system. When the pump automatically stops, it means the tank is already full to the safe limit. Adding more fuel after that can push excess fuel into the vapor recovery system, which is not designed to handle liquid fuel. This can lead to pressure imbalance, sensor issues, and damage to the EVAP system over time. Many drivers do this without realizing the risk, but it can result in expensive repairs later. The best practice is to stop fueling as soon as the pump clicks to protect your fuel system and keep everything working properly. Number 1. Warming up modern car for too long. Warming up a modern car for too long might feel like the right thing to do, but in reality, it can slowly waste fuel and add unnecessary wear to your engine. Modern engines are designed to operate efficiently within seconds of starting, so long idle times are no longer required like older cars. When you keep the engine running without driving, fuel is being burned without any real movement, which leads to unnecessary consumption. Over time, this habit can also contribute to carbon buildup and slight engine stress. The better approach is to start your car, wait just a few seconds, and then drive gently so the engine warms up naturally while in motion.